Due to this pandemic, world has stopped, but learning cannot stop. In this pandemic, we have a good news for you. Hi, this is Pallavi here from Talent Battle, and after receiving some suggestions from the students, we have decided to launch a brand new YouTube channel by name Learn English by Talent Battle. We have started this channel by keeping in mind that learning and polishing communication and English language is a need of the hour. What's in it for you? You will receive recorded videos about English and communication on regular basis. Along with that, you will also getting a chance to attend in live sessions where you will be participating in different activities to enhance your communication. How does that help you? This will help to build a strong foundation and also polish your personality, communication, and English language. All the three in one. What are you waiting for? Let's subscribe today and meet you on the channel. Thank you.